orange picker said hello. Your train driver in Florida standing by. Where'd you go, Superman? Nah, not much, man. I was just, straightening out that 2-9. He didn't believe that you was in. I hear some kind of pop. I don't know what the heck that is in there, but he said he didn't believe you was in Dallas, Texas. Man, you are in Dallas here, right?
From the Carolinas. 3-5.
Buddy, derail, busy bee in the corner of Wheeler.
Well, let me see if I can get that train rig up out of your radio. Let me see if I can get that train up in your radio. Train driver on the map.
Yes, right. That's a good way that everybody can go off of, to see where you're at. You said you just right outside of Dallas, right there next to it. All right, man. I was just checking with you, man. He said something about you didn't have that hammer on him or something, talking to somebody, and then said that you wasn't in Dallas. I was just trying to keep it straight. Man, he's smoking over here.
Jacksonville.
Howdy-oo.
Hey, train driver, Iceman, Hilton. Hey, train driver, Iceman, train driver, 351. Go to you. Hey, up in there, train driver, what's going on? 148, read your mail.
Okay, he just kept saying he didn't know you or something. I guess he just didn't remember your handle or something other, but you said you're about 30, 40 miles from downtown Dallas, I believe is what you just said there a second ago if I didn't get it mixed up. But yeah, man, you said you talked to 29 before. I guess he didn't remember you there a minute ago.
Up here in Tennessee, spark plug on this antique radio looking breaker.
Hey, spark plug, where you at? You ain't the spark plug out the hill instead, are you?
Before we lost Mother Nature, didn't get to speak hello again. Take care, Superman. D-Rail reading the mail.
How about it right outside of Dallas, 44 Alabama standing by. Well, them conditions are rough. It's in and out. Hey, them conditions are rough. It's in and out, but we're going to hand to you. Take care. Around Tennessee, spark plug on this small stepping.